I'm confident every angle I could party with I could knowledge, I could education, anywhere, everywhere. I could compete all India level, the world, the research scholar, I could in doctor, engineer, sport, Manipur is called powerhouse of sport in India. I call Manipur education ki powerhouse or hinna ba kona kum chokta bara. No hoy da bara. Ngani. Stakeholder mein aap koi na side diet karna hai bhi amba stakeholder mein aap na unna hona min rakadi issue le tawani. I call either blood the yaw da banate ba. I call very machasing the yaw da banate ba. The only thing required is in the hold over the hold over the side, a stakeholder labor may have hold over the car. And the first point I'm making here is education is the only way we can be counted. That too, what type of education? Quality education, value-based education. Education for all. It's not thousands of people. It's not one section of the society. It is the whole society. It's for the whole Manipur. It's for every nook and corner of Manipur. Every student in every school, in every place of Manipur should be the best. Then Manipur will be best. That's the point I'm making here. Stakeholder number one, the state government. State government la later. Thankfully, education minister.